God made you so flawlessly. I am perpetually appreciative for His endowment of you to me. In your presence, I feel the heavenly love and favors that God has poured upon us. You were sent to me by God because He knew exactly what I needed. Our love story demonstrates that prayers are answered by God and that His timing is always perfect. Constantly enjoyed with you helps me to remember God's beauty and loyalty. You are a living declaration of God's bountiful endowments in my day to day existence. With you close by, I realize I have an accomplice who urges me to rest on God in each circumstance. You were God's choice for me, and I will always be grateful for that. I am grateful that you are the living evidence of God's goodness and mercy in my life. You serve as a reminder for me of God's constant love and presence. Your adoration mirrors the delicacy and sympathy of God's affection for us. You are the living illustration of God's elegance and pardoning in my life. God's unwavering love for me shines through when I look into your eyes. With you, I experience an affection that is outside human ability to understand, an adoration made by God Himself. Each second enjoyed with you feels like a gift from God, spilling over with His adoration. You are a manifestation of God's promises in my life, and the response to my prayers. Being with you a steady update. The God's arrangements are generally more prominent than mine. God united us for a specific reason, and I am thankful for the expression of affection He has sets us on. My faith in the miracles that God can perform is strengthened by having you in my life. I treasure every moment we spend together because you are the epitome of God's love. Our romantic tale is demonstration of the supernatural occurrences that God can act in our lives. Your actions demonstrate the grace of God, and I am blessed to witness His love through you. You are living evidence of God's unwavering, perfect love for me. With you, I experience an affection that rises above natural limits and carries me nearer to God. God sent you to me to remind me that His love is eternal and that He has many blessings. My faith is rekindled in me by your love, which serves as a constant reminder of God's infinite power. You are a divine gift from God Himself and my soul's companion. In your arms, I track down comfort and the relentless presence of God's affection.